Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can clip the canvas on Affinity Designer so that it fits an image or photo in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, what you want to do is insert an image or photo on your canvas or design on Affinity first. To do that, navigate to your document on Affinity and then use the image placeholder tool here, position it here on your canvas, and also locate the file on your device in JPEG and PNG format. As you can see, I've already done it with that logo here. So once your image or photo has been inserted, what you want to do is click into the canvas in the background, select document here at the top, and then choose clip canvas. And as you can see, now the canvas has been cropped so that the image fits into the canvas without any background here, as you can see now. So that's it. You can undo this by clicking into document again and select unclip canvas, or press Ctrl Z to undo the last edit as well. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.